Plant FAQs. Calathea Flame Star. What is Calathea Flame Star? Hi there, Furbu here, and today we're diving into the world of the Calathea Flame Star, a captivating houseplant that will steal the show in your indoor jungle. This beauty isn't just about stunning looks. It boasts unique characteristics that make it a conversation starter. But like any diva, the Calathea Flame Star has its own set of preferences. So, buckle up as we explore everything you need to know to keep this fiery foliage friend thriving. See more 59 species in genus Calathea at monsteraholic.com. Light. Finding the flame star's sweet spot. Imagine the Calathea Flame Star basking in the dappled sunlight of a rainforest floor. That's the kind of light it craves. Bright, indirect sunlight is ideal. Direct sun is a no-no, as it can scorch the delicate leaves. North or east-facing windows are perfect spots. If your home leans darker, fret not. The flame star can tolerate lower light conditions, but growth might be slower. Water. Keeping the flame hydrated, but not drowning. Think of your Calathea Flame Star like a thirsty traveler in the rainforest. It prefers consistently moist soil, but not soggy. The key is finding the balance. Stick your finger an inch into the soil. Dry? Time to water. Still damp? Hold off for a day or two. Consistent watering habits are essential, especially during the spring and summer when growth accelerates. In winter, you can ease off on watering as the soil dries out slower. Remember, using filtered or rainwater is ideal, as tap water can cause brown spots due to mineral buildup. Humidity, mimicking the rainforest for happy leaves. The Calathea Flame Star hails from the humid tropics. Replicating that environment indoors is crucial. Aim for a humidity level between 50 to 60%. Grouping your flame star with other humidity-loving plants creates a mini jungle microclimate. A pebble tray filled with water placed under the pot, ensuring the pot doesn't sit directly in the water, is another great trick. If you have a humidifier, that's the ultimate solution. Dry air can cause crispy leaf edges, so watch out for those as a sign of insufficient humidity. Soil, the foundation for fiery growth. A well-draining potting mix is vital for your Calathea Flame Star. A combination of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark provides excellent drainage and aeration. This prevents root rot, a common enemy of these beauties. When repotting, choose a pot with drainage holes slightly larger than the root ball. Repotting every 1 to 2 years is recommended, especially if the roots outgrow the current pot or the soil becomes compacted. Temperature. Keeping the flame star cozy. The Calathea Flame Star thrives in warm temperatures, similar to its rainforest home. Aim for a range between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid sudden temperature fluctuations and drafts, as these can stress the plant. Keep it away from air conditioners and heating vents. Fertilizer, a little boost for big results. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied every 4 to 6 weeks. In winter, feeding can be stopped completely. Over-fertilizing can damage the roots, so be mindful of the dosage. Common problems and solutions. Keeping your flame star happy. Brown leaf edges. This is often a sign of low humidity. Increase humidity levels around the plant. Curling leaves. This could be due to underwatering or insufficient humidity. Check the soil moisture and adjust your watering routine. Increase humidity if necessary. Yellowing leaves. Overwatering or lack of light can cause yellowing. Check the soil moisture and adjust your watering schedule. If it's a light issue, relocate the plant to a brighter spot with indirect sunlight. Calathea Flame Star versus Calathea Orbifolia. Choosing your fiery friend. Both the Calathea Flame Star and the Calathea Orbifolia are stunning additions to any plant collection. Here's a quick comparison to help you decide. Leaves. Flame Star, elongated, oval-shaped leaves with a pointed tip. Stunning burgundy markings resembling flames dance across the deep green background. Orbifolia. Large, round leaves with a velvety texture. The deep green foliage features prominent lighter green veins, creating an almost reptilian pattern. Light. Both prefer bright, indirect sunlight. Water. Both require consistently moist soil, but not soggy. Humidity. Both thrive in high humidity. Size. Flame Star. Grows to a compact size, reaching 1 to 2 feet tall. Orbifolia. can grow larger, reaching up to 3 feet tall. Propagation, sharing the flame star's fire. The Calathea flame star can be propagated through division, a method best done during spring or summer. Here's a step-by-step guide. Gently remove the Calathea flame star from its pot. Carefully loosen the soil around the roots to expose them. Look for natural divisions in the root ball, where new growth points, pups, might be emerging. Using a sterilized knife, divide the root ball with the pups attached, ensuring each division has sufficient roots and foliage. Repot each division in separate pots with well-draining potting mix. Water thoroughly and place the newly propagated plants in a warm, humid location with bright, indirect sunlight. Maintain consistent moisture and monitor the growth. New leaves should emerge within a few weeks. Toxicity, a safe choice for pet parents. The good news is the Calathea flame star is considered non-toxic to humans and pets according to the ASPCA website on toxic plants. However, it's always best to keep houseplants out of reach of curious pets who might nibble on the leaves. Conclusion: the Calathea flame star, a rewarding challenge. The Calathea flame star might have specific needs, but its captivating beauty and unique personality make it a worthwhile addition to your plant family. With a little TLC and these tips in mind, you can ensure your flame star thrives and brings a touch of the tropics to your home. Remember, happy planting!